Everyone should have their notebooks out right now and their books. We're going to be reading on page 158 and 159.
I didn't get my book.
Wait, yeah, they don't.
Actually, no, wait, we're handing back notebooks to them. Hey, Gibby, you would open up your book to page 158. We're passing it back right now. Forgot about that.
We're doing something with this week. Wait, concludes.
What'd you say, Omar?
Are we doing concludes this week?
If we get through this unit fast enough, we will be. Right, so we've got 3 questions on the board. What is the deepest Great Lake? What is a tundra? And how long is the border between the United States and Canada? Yeah. Is there an opening activity? Right, so copy the question and write down the answer below it.
That's nice.
Oh, I didn't get anything. Oh God, he handed it back to me.
Oh,
What do I do? Did he hold it back for me?
I like that.
Oh God.
That 26.
We're seeing back in.
Not even at the page. That's only the year.
I'm 49. I got A minus. Wait. It's Jordan for the 3. Good.
All right, let's go over some of these. So, question 1, what is the deepest Great Lake? Anyone tell me, Carlos? Lake Superior. It is superior to all the other lakes. It's not. I'm really not preferential towards bodies of water, but Lake Superior is nice. It's also the deepest and the biggest of the Great Lakes.
I've been to it.
You have. That's awesome. All right, number 2, what is a tundra? Someone besides Carlos. Trinity.
It's fast rolling, treeless, plain, and high latitude climates. Should I read the rest of it?
No, yeah, keep reading.
In which only top few inches of ground thaw in summer.
And so what they have there is they have a few inches of ground, and then underneath it they have what's called permafrost. And so there's actually a lot of cases, so like in northern Canada, where they'll build buildings and they'll actually sink in a little bit because some of the permafrost is starting to melt. Interesting fact for the day. All right. How long is the border between the United States? Karina?
5,522 miles.
Give me that in kilometers, because that's what they use in Canada.
8,887 kilometers.
Perfect. All right. So for today, you guys are going to get to do a little bit of coloring. I think it's a pretty good way to start off Monday. So using our books, we're going to be using pages RA11, so that's like our atlas pages 118 and 119. Yeah.
Do you want to film which one do you want to?
Either or.
Oh, okay. I thought we were supposed to do mile and kilometers.
All right. So I'm passing back the worksheet right now. We're going to be using colored pencils. I'm going to split you guys up into groups of 4.
What page is it?
It's on the top here. It's in bold, pages RA11, 118, and 119.
What? There's no pages.
What, Gibby? What, did you say what?
R.
I said that today we're going to be using our books to color
R8.
RA11, which is one of our atlas pages, and then 118 and 119. So we're going to be able to find most of them on 118 and 119, but if you can't find them, it's going to be on RA11.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, what's the same?
All right, so I'm going to split you guys off into groups of 3, and you guys are going to work together. We're going to talk about a couple here. So 2 and 3. All right, and so let's see, Jake, Omar, and Gabe, you guys are going to be a group.
Sorry.
All right, and then how about we'll do a pair here? So Karina and Alex, Ethan and Claire. All right. Does everyone have their groups?
No.
Did I put you in a group, Kitty?
I'll go leisure and play. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I skipped you. All right. I want you guys to move your desks together, signifying that you guys are also putting your heads together on this. Let's get to it.
How about we just go in the back room over there?
Yeah, since we have a lot of empty desks in here, you guys don't have to.
Everybody take it.
Actually, let's not use those 3 desks on the side. Why don't you guys move?
Like everything?
Because they're on the wall, and then you have to move them more. Jason, we're doing an activity right now. Here we go. We're gonna do this. How about you draw Karina and Alex?
What are you doing? Color over the map, right? What is this? What is this?
All right, guys. So, since we're going to be doing some coloring, well, Karina is already ahead of the game. So I want you guys, since we have a limited number, I want one person in your group to go to the back and grab colors.
supposed to know what colors to grab.
You guys should take your sheets with you so you know what colors to grab.
Oh, look at it, Shady. I got it.
Grab the
So like we have so like once you're done, all they're all in if you really want to make it look good. But like I know there's last class.
That's all we need. Ow!
So I'm hearing a lot of voices. You guys are being very good and very studious and already getting the words. Let's go through the first two together. So we see here on our sheet, right? You are not official Canadian cartographers, map makers yet, but this is great practice. Using pages R11, 118, and 119 as a reference, and using color pencils or brands, draw and label the Canadian geographic locations. And so for mountains, we're going to draw the mountains in black. And then we're going to write the name in orange. For bodies of water, like bays, rivers, lakes, we're going to color them, shade them in blue, write the name in black. Cities, we're going to place a dot in orange, write the name in yellow. Capital of Canada, which is a different city, we're going to do it. We're going to place the dot in red, and we're going to write the name in red. We have a few islands and territories on here, so we're going to shade lightly in green and label in brown. And then if you guys finish at the end of class, there's a place called the Labrador Sea. I want you to draw a Labrador, like a retriever. And then for a compass rose, I want you to draw a maple leaf and label it like a compass rose. Right, so we have the directions here, then we have these nice little grids here. Hey guys, have your eyes please. Alright, so we have our grid here, so this is what you guys are going to be labeling. And so let's start off with the first one. Can someone please show me on my lovely map up here, where are the Rocky Mountains? Jake, come on up. Okay, it's a Monday. You want to point to the Rocky Mountains?
Right here where I read it.
Right there? Does someone else want to try too? Cindy, do you want to try? Let's go let's get moving.
I got walk.
There we go.
Anybody know walk this?
That's really good. One more? Anyone else want to come up here and get out of the chair? All right. Mr. Mallon, hit it. There. Rocky Mountains, right? And so they're outlined here in black, and then we're going to label it in orange. I mean, something that I did is I just made triangles. I just need you guys to show me that you know where the Rocky Mountains are. And so like you can just kind of like draw a squiggly line, or you can draw triangles.
Vikings still live in Rocky Mountains.
Oh, actually, this is kind of cool, right? It goes along the border here, right? So like it shows that like this the shape of that territory and the start from the rock. Mr. Stewart.
Well, out of all things,
That's okay. You can,
so it's just like triangles.
no, you can make triangles to signify that they're mountains, and then label them as the Rocky Mountains. It's on the directions, right? So it says for mountains, draw the mountains in black and write the name in orange.
Wait, aren't we also going to draw mountains?
All right, so if we're moving left to right on our grid here, so we just did the Rocky Mountains. I like to do it and show that I finished it by putting a check mark there. Let's do the St. Lawrence River. You guys find the St. Lawrence River on your maps in the book, and then point to it on the screen. St. Lawrence River. Let's get it. Let's wait.
Carlos.
You want to point for me?
Hudson Bay.
Right there? Oh, it's very good. You want to sit down? Let's have one more person. Ethan or Claire, do you guys want to try pointing to where the St. Lawrence River is?
No. Oh, wait.
Sydney, do you want to try?
That's what I was going to say, too.
Right there? All right. You want to point?
Well, I was looking
Yeah. All right. Mr. Mount, can you please pull up? All right. There we go. The St. Lawrence River. Right? And so the important thing to remember, and the thing, it's not a very big river in terms of length, but the really important thing is that right here, this is where the Great Lakes start. And so this naturally connects the ocean to the Great Lakes. And so originally, a lot of the reasons why people came to Canada was to get fur. And so the St. Lawrence River was really important for the fur trade. So like beavers, bears, bunnies. Yeah.
Beer.
No.
No.
Whoa.
No good, son.
It's like sharks in the drain.
Beaver.
Do it this way. All right, so you guys have the directions on the front. I want you guys to keep. Okay, Billy. I want you guys to keep going. I'm going to set you guys loose to get the rest of these done. If you guys have any questions, raise your hands. Don't forget to use all of the maps that are in your book that I've labeled. So it's RE11 and 118 and 119.
Everything that's here.
Yep.
Oh, that's.
Is that what you're thinking?
Okay, what's that tall?
My mouth
Ottawa.
is
What is that?
All right. You know what, let's talk about this really quick. Is that good? Great. All right. Actually, hey, can I have you guys' eyes for one more second? All right, so let's think about some of the endings for some of these places. So the Atlantic Ocean is a body of water. What's a strait?
About a piece of land that can.
Just a piece of.
So a strait is also another body of water. If it's just like one word, say like Calgary or Ottawa, that's a city. Where's another example? Lakes are bodies of water. There's gulfs. There's a few islands.
Who? Yes. Christine, your lesson?
But yeah, have fun. Happy hunting.
I don't know what a towel is.
Right? So if it's like a single word, like Ottawa, Calgary, Vancouver, not Vancouver Island, but Vancouver, they're cities.
Yes, city?
What?
I like your hair.
Right by. Right by the lake.
When did you do that?
St. Lawrence.
Wait, I want to say that. Yeah, it's for kids. That is ugly. Yeah, that is ugly.
Ottawa.
That is ugly. That is so ugly. Just because they're okay.
So when I did, this is really just
So we don't wait for
like scribble names.
I need to use this vacuum.
But like if you want to shape the whole thing,
Right. Right there. Perfect.
They black.
Thank you.
They still label single on servers.
Oh.
what?
Boy, where is the single? Right there. Boy, if you don't get shown. No, wait, hey, look what's right here. You should not be sleeping.
Where's Ottawa?
Yeah.
I am too.
So we did it right.
You don't put your giant headphones and start playing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, new money dog.
Oh,
Doing lunch. Do lunch.
Too much
Right, so we have a map. So these are we're just going to be basically
Also,
Oh, that was great.
oh, so that'll be good.
You're so focused, Kimmy.
Yeah. What's the other color?
Vancouver Island.
Kimmy, you're so good. You're so focused. Look.
Wait, I already said a color.
hey, that's all, like efforts all that counts, right?
Okay.
As long as you label it. Make sure you label it though. South, east, west.
Did I say your name right?
Stewart. You can just kind of like shade around it. And if you're gonna write it,
Dates. Not cool.
okay, right?
You're actually
I want to go back and color over a bit and later we'll change it on. Might make sense. But also make sure you plan properly because there might be waterway that we need to label. What else? Archie goes. Also, wait, what's the bullet?
Hey, why did you guys know like
Alright, do you see where the Labrador Sea might be? Alright, so make sure you plan to have enough room.
draw like that?
Right, so just like don't draw the Atlantic Ocean. Right, so like here's Labrador Sea. It's up to you.
No, these are actually scams.
Really?
Brown spots?
What's in your group? Are you talking to them about what you're doing?
No, it's like a scab.
Yeah? I just want to make sure you guys are all working together. Need some help, Sander? It was cute. I just made my question. I was just going to pull you in your desk.
Like I got there on my foot. And
Sorry about that.
actually like
I like cut my finger right here. You know what joke I used to always scrape my knees while I'm running?
Just do you guys want to just add like a dab of Canada at like the end of class? We can save our dabbing to the end of class. Canadian history. But yeah, it's pronounced. They kind of jump it together. Like they jump it together. So it's not exactly. It's here. You can see the outline of it.
There's the Hudson.
What are you on right now? Not on the one south bit is.
Okay, where would you come down the road?
So what's south?
Yeah.
What island is that? Vancouver?
Nope. I just see it.
Yeah, sorry, Gibson.
Island. For islands, all island, we like to shake brown.
I did this last night. It took me about 10 minutes. Yeah. But so like, what I always do in group
Canada, so it's locked in. Where's the broom? Where's the broom? Give me the broom.
No, yes.
Yeah, make sure it's so like. Are you trying to? Since you're very good at finding time. I think that's just something that's just like added on there. So people
Okay,
can
if
kind of
Who am I ready?
So you can do extra credit for that?
get it on there. Take it through all of it, yeah. A plus if you want.
They need them.
I loved Jeremy's reaction to the closer. Where she,
It's over here. That's easy. Just say all that is. Just say all of it.
He changed all of his Green Day stuff.
what was it? So like even on maps, like they don't necessarily like shit in different colors. It's all about where you label it at. Let's say waste. It looks really nice. But that's a different scene.
What are y'all?
Wait, it's right under you. Your foot.
What is it? Oh, it's a river.
No.
That's all.
See a nice river.